Hi everyone, this is Hannah. So today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this center suit mini album set. So this is like the front side of the mini album, and this is a shaped card. So today I will make this shaped card. And so for mini album, you will also need these two pieces. So one for the layering piece like the red color, and this stitching line is for this layering piece, and the rest are the piece I'm using today. So you will get this basic piece. This is to make the base part, and then you get these two pieces, the left and the right side, and this is to make this part, okay, this the cross part, and you will also get these two. So this two is like the layering piece for this part. So like I cut these two parts in red color, and then I cut these two colors in white color. So this is the white color part, and then this is the piece to also cut in white color. So it's for this one, and then you get these two pieces. They are to make this white part here, and this is the piece to cut these two parts, and then this is the base for your buckle, and this is the piece to cut your buckle. So let's put it aside, and I have cut all these out. So let's get started. So first we glue these white ones on top of the cloth part, and just stick it on top. Okay, now let's also stick this one on top of this part. And this is the part that we stick on top of this one. And these are the parts to glue it at these two parts. Okay, now let's glue these two on top. So for this one, here you can see there is an embossing line here, right? So we fold it first, and we only add glue at this part. So it's like this, and we glue it on top. So just make sure you line it up well. It's like this. So you get this part line well with this angle, with this corner, and this part on top. And we do the same to this part. Also fold this folding line and add glue here. So like this way. So you can make it open and close. And if you don't want it to be like this way, you can just glue this part all on top of this one. So it will look like this. So first glue this right side, and then glue this left side. So it will close like this way. And see this one for the mini album, I just glue all parts on top, so it can't open from the center. But see this one, if you just glue these two top parts, it will open like so. Then you can put a message inside. I think this will make a very cute shaped card for you in this holiday season. And then let's come to these two parts. I cut them in black color, and let me show you. So you will see that this part, See, this part is longer than this part. So yeah, this is in this way and this is in this way. See, like so. And now we add glue here. So put it on the closed part. So just first, like put this piece here so you know where to glue this part. So it's this part, and let's make this buckle. Just glue this part, this buckle at the base part. So put it in the center of this black piece. And you also get this tiny bit here. So yeah, it's also for adding on top of this piece. So it's like this. And now you put it here, right? So only add glue on this part. See, add glue on this part and put your buckle on top. So this shaped card is ready to go. So we only need to add a Velcro here. So the card will stay enclosed, right? See here, like so, you can open your clothes. And I think this is so fun, right? It's a very interactive card in this way. And yeah, just very cute one to send your gift card in this holiday season. So it's like this. And very fun to make it. And super simple, right? So this is the tutorial video for today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.